Have you ever seen a fat, white grub living deep inside a coconut tree? To some, it's creepy. To the tree, it's deadly. But here's the twist, in some places, this wriggly creature is a delicacy. This white coconut grub is actually the larva of Rhynchophorus ferrugineus, better known as the red palm weevil. As a larva, it has a plump, soft body with a yellowish-white color and a dark brown head. It can grow up to 5 centimeters long. These grubs live hidden inside coconut trunks, boring through the soft tissues and feeding from within. The adult female weevil lays her eggs in wounds or rotting parts of coconut trees. Once the eggs hatch, the larvae immediately begin tunneling through the trunk. Over time, the damage becomes severe, causing the tree to weaken, stop producing fruit, and eventually die. That's why in many tropical regions, especially in Southeast Asia, this grub is considered a serious pest. It's hard to detect and even harder to control once it's inside the tree. But here's the surprising part, in some parts of Indonesia like Papua and Kalimantan, this same grub is harvested and eaten. Locally known as sago worms, these larvae are rich in protein and are considered both nutritious and delicious. So, is this white coconut grub a deadly pest? Or a future superfood? Nature always has two sides. Sometimes, even the creepiest creatures have a place on the plate. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more surprising stories from the tiny world of animals.